In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit the URL of a page in Bootstrap Studio. So let's head over to the program. So your pages will be located in the bottom right hand corner. So you may need to expand the menu. So just put your cursor slightly above the design option and then you can drag upwards to expand it. And then you can see all the pages are listed in this section. So unlike other software programs where you normally create a page, the program usually fills in the actual URL automatically. In Bootstrap Studio, the actual name of the page or pages will also be the URL of your domain as well. So for example, it will be your domain name / pricing, projects and services. So the index is the home page, so you don't need to edit this one, but you can edit all the other pages. So to add a new page, you simply put your cursor over pages, right click, select new and add a page. You can also click up here and again add a new page. So once a new page is added, it's automatically listed as untitled and untitled-1 and so on. So you can actually change these. So what you need to do, again, put your cursor over them, right click, select rename, and then you can give it a name. So again, Bootstrap Studio doesn't automatically format the structure of your name. So for example, if you put, say, brand new page and you leave a space, it won't put a dash in between them. It will put a percentage sign, which is not very good for search engine optimization. So a new page should look something like this. So it should be all lowercase letters, and each time there's a space, you should put a dash where the space is. If you don't, it will look something like this. So it will automatically put a percentage sign in between them, which isn't very good. So again, right click, select rename, and then you can just type in a new name. So I'm just going to put in new -PAGE. So again, all lowercase letters with a dash in between each word and so on. So you can also add a folder to the pages section. So a folder will act as, it will be your domain name / the name of the folder and then the actual URL of the page. So right click on pages, select new and select folder. So the folder is the same as the page. You need to make sure it's lowercase letters with a dash in between each word. So again, I'm just going to put in and then once that's done, you can then either right click and add new pages to that section like that, or you can just drag an existing page and drag it to the folder. So folders are kind of handy if you have lots of different pages, which will help you kind of organize them if you want to. So that's a quick kind of demonstration. What you could do if you don't want to type in the name yourself. So if let's go back to my index page. So say, for example, this is the actual name of the page. I could say, for example, just click on that and copy it, highlight it, right click and copy. I could then go to a website service such as this. So this will automatically create a URL slug for your page. So you can type or paste the text into this page. Once you type it, you can now see that it automatically formats the URL. So you can copy that and go back to Bootstrap Studio. So for example, I'm just going to create a new page, and you can see this one's highlighted. So I can just right click on it and select paste, and you can now see that it's automatically added the page name, which also acts as the structure of the URL. So that's a quick kind of tip if you want to save yourself a little bit of time and you want to make sure it's done correctly. So I do recommend you go to this page. I will put the link in the description, or just type in URL Slug Generator and it should go to that page. So let me give you another demonstration of what things look like. So this is another page I've created. So I'm just going to preview this in my web browser. So these are some pages that's created. So I click on this. You can now see that this is actually in a subfolder. So this will be your domain name. Then it will be a / with the name of the folder, followed by the URL of the page. Some other examples are, that one was called pages, this one's called blog. So again, this is in a subfolder, so it's the name of your URL. /blog/ the actual name of the page, and so on. If you create two separate folders, this is what it'll look like. You can see it's the name of your domain, /blog/ /football/ the name of the page, and so on. And if you don't have a folder, it would just be your domain name / the actual name of your page. And if you don't correctly format your page, for example, if you put a space in between the words and don't add a dash, it will look like that. So if I copy this and put it into Notepad, I already have actually. So I put this into Notepad. You can see if you add a space but don't add a dash, it puts these percentage signs in between the words, which is really, really bad. So you don't want that. So again, so that's how it looks like. So, just remember, when you do add a page or you give your page a name, you have to have all lowercase letters with a dash in between each single word. And the same applies to individual folders and so on. So hopefully that helps. And again, just go to this page, this free Slug Generator, which will help you save time and make sure your URL structure is correct and so on. So hopefully that helps you. Thanks for watching.